Hello students, today we are going to discuss about ideal and non-ideal solutions. And students, on the basis of Raoult's law, liquid-liquid solutions can be classified into ideal and non-ideal solutions. Okay students? Well students, move to the first type of binary solutions, that is ideal solutions. A solution is said to be ideal which obeys Raoult's law in the entire concentration range and at all temperatures. At molecular level, an ideal solution of the components A and B is defined as the solution in which the intermolecular interaction between the components AB are of same magnitude as the intermolecular interactions found in pure components AA and BB attractions. And students, variation of PA against XA and PB against XB is shown graphically in the figure. Both the plots are straight lines. These lines touch the coordinates at P0A when XA is equal to 1 and P0B when XB is equal to 1. That is, when both the components are pure liquids. The PA decreases along the line 1 when B is added to A. And similarly, PB decreases along the line second when A is added to B. The total vapor pressure of the solution for any composition is given by the sum of PA and PB, represented by line 3, joining both points P0A and P0B. Now it is clear from the figure that vapor pressure of solutions of different compositions in case of ideal solutions lies between the vapor pressures of pure components. And this equation is of type y is equal to mx plus c, in which m is the slope and c is the intercept of y-axis. And students, an ideal solution possesses the following characteristics also besides obeying Raoult's law. Volume change on mixing the two components should be 0. That is, delta V is equal to 0. And the next one is heat change on mixing two components to form solution should be 0. That is, delta H is equal to 0. Neither heat is evolved nor absorbed when the solution is prepared. And the next one is there should be no chemical reaction between solvent and solute. And practically no solution is ideal. However, when concentration of solute is very low, the solution behaves ideally. And a few examples are benzene plus toluene, hexane plus heptane, ethyl chloride plus ethyl bromide, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. I hope it is clear to all of you. Well students, move to the second type of solutions, that is non-ideal solution. A solution which does not obey Raoult's law is called non-ideal solution. And cause for these deviations lie in the nature of interactions at the molecular level. Or we can say that students, in case of non-ideal solution, solute-solvent interactions are quite different from the solute-solute and solvent-solvent interactions, which leads to the deviation from their ideal behavior. Okay, students, the solute-solvent interaction may be greater than or less than from solute-solute and solvent-solvent interaction, due to which they behave differently from the ideal solution. Okay, students, and on the basis of the interaction present between the solute and solvent particles, we are having the two types of non-ideal solutions. Solution show positive deviation from Raoult's law, and the second one is solution show negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, students? Well, students, move to the types of non-ideal solutions. And the first one is non-ideal solutions which show positive deviations. In a non-ideal solution with positive deviation, the partial pressure of each component is greater than the partial pressure as expected according to Raoult's law. And students, in the figure, purple lines represent positive deviation and dotted lines represent an ideal solution. Let us consider a binary solution of two components A and B. In this type of deviation, like molecules have greater forces of attraction as compared to the interaction between unlike molecules. In the binary solution showing positive deviation, AB forces of interactions will be less than AA and BB forces of interactions. In other words, intermolecular force is lowered on mixing the two components A and B. As a result, partial vapor pressure of each component will be greater as expected in case of ideal solutions of same composition. And a few examples showing positive deviation are acetone plus ethanol, acetone plus carbon disulfide, water plus methanol, CCl4 plus toluene, acetone plus benzene, cyclohexane plus ethanol. In case of positive deviation, a noticeable change in the volume and heat is observed. Volume of the solution is greater than the sum of the volumes of two components. It is due to the decrease in intermolecular forces in the solution. Molecule being loosely held show an increase in volume on mixing, and delta H of mixing is positive, or we can say that heat is absorbed in the formation of such solution. It is due to the fact that energy required to break strong AA and BB interactions is greater than energy released in the formation of weak AB interactions. Now move to the non-ideal solutions which show negative deviations. These are the solutions in which the molecular interactions between components A and B are more than that between pure AA and pure BB component. And students, in a non-ideal solution with negative deviation, the partial pressure of each component is less than the vapor pressure as expected according to Raoult's law. In the figure, purple lines represent negative deviation and dotted lines represent ideal solution. Let us consider a binary solution of two components A and B showing negative deviation. In the solution under consideration, AB forces of attractions is greater than AA and BB forces of interactions. In other words, intermolecular force is raised on mixing two components. Thus, partial pressure of each component will be lesser as expected in case of ideal solution of same composition. And a few examples showing negative deviations are acetone plus aniline, acetone plus chloroform, water plus nitric acid, chloroform plus benzene, water plus HCl. Okay, and in case of negative deviation, a noticeable change is observed in the volume and heat. On mixing the two components, the magnitude of intermolecular forces increases. That is, molecule will be tightly held in the solution. Hence, volume will decrease on mixing. Okay? Or we can say that the delta V of mixing is negative, or we can say less than 0. And similarly, delta H of mixing is negative, or we can say that heat is evolved in the formation of such solution. It is due to the fact that energy is required to break weak AA and BB interactions is less than energy released in the formation of strong AB interaction. Okay, students.